We're at the Canal Street subway station, downtown platform. See it? So, for the first time ever, let's take a ride. Oh yeah. I don't know why EL325 is. GL interlock up there. Let's go to the southbound. Let's go down to the southbound platform. And let's give you a cat view. Bad, but rusty. This elevator is terrible. And you can say hi to our friend security. And that's going to be due by signal maintenance. This one's a heights elevator, by the way. Here's the outside of the station. Let's listen to the motor. Ooh. Yeah, this elevator isn't the greatest. And can't focus on all that dirt. The TX100V can't barely see all the dirt for the lens though. So let's take a view. See that? That's the southbound elevator.
Hurry up with that thing. It's
Close
you.
it up. Well, that's it.